Despite all my begging and pleading, DWNP was unable to find us somewhere to stay in Savuti to pitch our tent, and the SKL privatized camps are all full. SKL had some space at Linyanti, but we're going to Linyanti anyhow in 5 days time, so we didn't want to go there and then go out and then go back again. And then we were at the office chatting to the people in charge when we ran into a couple who had just been in the Chobe Waterfront area, and they said things are really busy there. The big pride of lions is killing buffaloes, lots of leopard sightings. So we figured we'll drive out to Kasane. Well, you need to anyhow at some point to fill up with fuel, so we may as well do it now. And then we'll either camp in Kasane, or if there's space at Ihaha inside the park, that would be even better. We'll figure that out when we get there. What do you think, Andy? Good plan?
Sounds like a plan to me.
Cool. And now for your amusement, I'm going to ask Andy to pass me some chips while we're driving on this terrible road. Andy?
Yes. Would you like some chips, right?
A packet of chips.
Okay.
Would you mind? They're just in the back in the snack box.
Things I do.
Oh no, the road's gone smooth. Wait, let me find. I'm just gonna try to find a bumpy bit for you. No, you're too fast. Yeah, it's gone all smooth. Oh. Here we go.
Got it.
Oh man, I thought that would be more exciting, but as he climbed over, the road went all smooth. The road's been quite terrible, with these horrible side-to-side corrugations that are the worst. The whole car just rocks back, side to side, side to side. You can't go fast, and then you end up getting stuck in the sand. Oh well, okay. Chippy time. It's getting hot. Every day has been pretty much consistently 36 degrees centigrade, which is warm, but not unbearable. But now today 38. I'm hoping it doesn't continue to rise, because that will be quite difficult. This road from Kasane to Savuti is pretty slow going. It's soft and sandy, very easy to get stuck, so it's a bit of a painful drive. Our fuel line came on after 500 kilometers since we filled up, which means we were on average doing about 20 liters per 100 kilometer, which is pretty bad. We've got about 15 liters left, so we won't make it to Kasane, I don't think. We'll give it a try. We can always pull some fuel out of one of the jerry cans, but I'd rather avoid that if I can. Andy?
Yes.
Would you mind passing me a salami stick from the fridge in the back?
Okay, right. Do it.
Thanks, Andy.
Easy.
No problem. As you can see from the stabilized footage, the car isn't bouncing around at all. You can't.
Okay.
You can.
I will.
You can. You can.
60 will be fine.
Are you going all the way into the boot?
There's a salami stick.
In the fridge, right near the front, right near your side.
Ah.
Okay, make you come. Nice one, Andy. You didn't close the fridge properly.
Didn't I?
No.
Gotta be kidding me.
No. Off you go.
BS.
Well done. Oh, it's totally worth it. Totally will be worth it. We're really hungry. Oh, there's a road ahead.
I want a road.
We could have gone on that other road, but we didn't. We went on a different road. Maybe even a better road. Now we're on the big road. Remember this road. The dead elephant somewhere down here. Now this one's lost.
No, they're mine. Don't touch them.
We've gone rock hard. Okay, we made it to the fuel station, which is in, what town is this? It's not far from, yeah, once you get on the tar it's about 30 k's and then there's a little fuel station. So we're going to put in some diesel and carry on to Kasane. Hopefully we can find somewhere to camp. We have made it to the Chobe Waterfront. We didn't even check in anywhere. We just ditched the trailer at the gate and we're doing a quick sunset drive along the waterfront. Then we're going to head out and stay at Chobe Safari Lodge tonight because we don't really have time to figure out this camping situation. And we'll come back in the morning and chat to them at the gate and speak to the officer in charge and make arrangements for the next few days. But they do seem willing to assist here, which is very good. You tired, Andy?
See in my eyes.
Yeah. We also took about 4 different wrong turns, amazingly, because we drove the road in one direction 5 days ago and we just had to drive back the way we had come, and we managed to get totally lost a few times. Anyhow. We started driving at 5 o'clock. We drove until 9:30. We then packed up camp and then started driving at 11:30, and now we're still driving and it's 6 p.m. So, and all we've had to eat is boiled eggs. So it's been a tough day. Oh, and some dry salami. Yeah, that was good. All right, but we made it. We'll fill you in later.